Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. It's just a simple search, King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. It is a great tool to not only keep up with all of the projects that we're doing in Kansas and Missouri, but you can also really educate yourselves on proper foundation repair, proper engineering sound foundation repair that's done correctly the first time. So King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. We're back out here in Lawrence showcasing one of the last couple days on this project. Friday, we were able to encase all of the interior piers. We had 15 altogether going inside this apartment building to, it's mostly a stabilizing raise, but we were able to slightly tilt the foundation wall a little bit closer to vertical than it was before we started. So those were all encased in high strength concrete, as you can see here. We still have some cleanup to do, so one of the last things we're going to do is do some polyurethane just to seal all these saw cut seams. So today we are going to be really trying to knock out the interior work. We got to finish up tying in the wall braces to the floor joists. So that's going to be our main focus today. Yesterday we were able to finish up encasing the 4 piers on the outside. So all 19 piers have been installed. They've all been encased in concrete. Now we're just finishing up the wall brace work. There's a few cracks we're getting finished up here with the ceiling also. They've been epoxy injected. We're just waiting for that to fully dry before we do the final layer of polyurethane. So, see all the way around here. So, got a couple areas that were still pretty wet with all the snow and ice melting. A lot of that water has come through, so we're just waiting for that to dry out before we really start hitting these, this area in particular. But yeah, everything went great with the raise. We had about maybe half an inch lift average between all the piers. So everything is structurally solid. It's stable. This wall is not going to move again. And the wall braces that we're using, these are not our typical H-beams that we use. Those are 4-inch H-beams. These ones in particular are 6-inch H-beams, so they're a lot thicker. With as big as this building is, these are going to be the best way to keep this wall from leaning inward any more than it already has. So, and the bottom ends of every one of these braces, there's 20 in total, is sitting right on top of the footing, and it's encased in the same high strength concrete that the piers are. So these suckers are not going to move. So yeah, today we'll get the interior pretty much finished up. Outside we have a couple hairline cracks we're going to get sealed up, and then a couple holes to backfill. But other than that, the major work is complete on this project. So we'll have some more videos out here. At the very least, one tomorrow, just kind of doing a walkthrough of the final product. So again, you'll be able to find that on our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.